Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docens Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to write a professional email in English. Whether you're applying for a job, contacting a client, or sending an important message to a colleague, knowing how to write a clear and effective email is a crucial skill. So, let's go over the key components and best practices for writing a professional email in English. Step 1. Start with a proper greeting. The greeting you choose sets the tone for the entire email. Use dear, name, if you're writing to someone in a formal context or if you know their name. For example, Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Dr. Adams. If you don't know the person's name, you can use Dear Sir or Madam, or simply, Hello. Avoid using overly casual greetings like hey or hi unless you're writing to someone you know well in a less formal context. Step 2. Introduce yourself and state the purpose. In the first sentence or paragraph, introduce yourself briefly if the recipient doesn't know you. For example, my name is, your name, and I am, your position/role, at, your company/organization, ... Then, state the purpose of your email clearly. For example, I'm reaching out to discuss a potential collaboration, or I'm writing to follow up on our previous conversation regarding the project timeline. This helps the recipient understand why you're contacting them right away. Step 3. Provide the necessary details. After introducing yourself and stating the purpose, include any necessary details or background information. Be specific and concise. For example, we are planning a marketing campaign for next quarter and would like to get your input on the design ideas. Use short paragraphs and bullet points to organize your information if needed. This makes your email easy to read and understand. Step 4. Use a polite and professional tone. Choose your words carefully to maintain a professional tone throughout your email. Use polite expressions like could you please, or I would appreciate it if you could, to make requests. For example, could you please send me the updated report by Friday, or I would appreciate it if you could review the attached document at your earliest convenience. Avoid using slang or overly casual language, as it might come across as unprofessional. Step 5. Include a clear call to action. At the end of your email, include a call to action to let the recipient know what you would like them to do next. For example, please let me know if you have any questions, or could we schedule a meeting next week to discuss this further? This helps guide the reader and makes it clear what the next steps are. Step 6. Close with a polite ending. Use a polite closing phrase such as, thank you for your time, or looking forward to your response. Then, choose an appropriate sign-off like best regards, sincerely, or kind regards, followed by your full name and any necessary contact information. For example, best regards, your name, your position/title, your company/organization, your contact information. This closing format gives a professional touch to your email and leaves a positive impression. Step 7. Proofread and review before sending. Before hitting the send button, take a moment to review your email for any spelling or grammar errors. Make sure the information is accurate and that your message is clear. Reading your email out loud can help you catch mistakes or awkward phrasing. Remember, a well-written email reflects your professionalism and attention to detail. Quick tips for professional emails: use a clear and relevant subject line. The subject line should summarize the main point of your email. For example, meeting request, project update, or application for marketing position. Keep your email concise and to the point. Avoid unnecessary details and get straight to the purpose of your message. Use paragraphs and formatting. Break your email into short paragraphs and use bullet points if needed to make it easy to read. Avoid using all caps or excessive punctuation. Using all caps can seem like you're shouting, and too much punctuation can look unprofessional. Always include a professional email signature. Include your name, position, company, and contact details at the end of your email. With these tips and steps, you'll be able to write clear, concise, and professional emails in English. Practice writing emails using these guidelines, and soon you'll feel more confident communicating in any business setting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more business English lessons and tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and good luck with your emails.